Hi friends, welcome to Art Project with Stevie. Today we're going to be continuing with our theme Under the Sea, and we're going to be making some pretty fish. Isn't that cute? Super cool. And as you can see, they come in many different colors and forms. It's all about your own personal technique. So what you're going to need today is some paper, two different colors, glue stick, a little jiggly eyeball if you have it, and some scissors. Okay, first off, you're going to draw a fish shape on your paper. So I start with an oval and then I draw a tail on it, just like that. And then you cut it out carefully, my friends, okay? Don't go too fast. If you need, ask an adult for help, but try to stay on the lines you drew. Ta-da, my fish shape. Okay, from that piece of paper you just cut out, you're going to get your fin. See this triangle right here? Perfect shape for a fin. So you're going to get that triangle and cut it out, and there's my fin. What you're going to do with that fin is you're going to attach it. You can either glue it, but since I need to go fast, I am going to staple it. Like so. Look good, my friends? Cool. Up next is the fun part. You're going to get your piece of paper and you're going to fold it in half like a hamburger. And then you're going to fold it again like another hamburger. And then fold it again. And then if you're strong enough, try to do it one more time. Let's see if I can do it. I did it, friends. If your paper's thicker, you won't be able to do it. Like when I used this one, the paper was way too thick. And then you're going to draw a little oval for your fish scale shape. And then you might need adult help because this is really difficult to do. You're going to cut out that oval. Try to stay on the lines. And there we have it, friends. Lots of little ovals. Cool. So these are going to be your fish scales. What you're going to do is carefully cut these in half, making your fish scales double. Now you have a whole bunch of little half circles. Looks cool. Keep this paper. You cut that out for later. We're going to use that for the little fin. I'll show you how to do that one later. So you got your fish shape. You have your colors. I pre-cut some other oranges up earlier. You're going to get your glue stick. And you're going to start at the head of the fish and work your way all the way back. Okay, my friends? So get your layer of glue on there. I'm going to start with my yellow. And you can do it any way you like. I am going to do one color each and rotate it that way. See how I'm going? It goes yellow, orange, yellow. But you can do it any way you like. That's the best part about art, is it is all up to the artist, and that's you guys. So have fun with it. Do whatever you like. Because guess what? This is your artwork. Alrighty, friends. I'm going to add some more glue and do another layer. And I am going to do it, and we will come back and see how far I get. Alrighty, friends, so I've finished about half of my fish, layer by layer. It gives a really cool effect. You like it? Alrighty, and I'm going to keep continuing. I'm going to put layer by layer, piece by piece, glue by glue. Go slow and steady. This is not only fun, it's therapeutic, which means you have a nice time relaxing and calming your brains. Find it a little bit easy if you just put one piece down, more glue on top of that one. Helps the layering process. Here we go. Okay, friends, I'm going to use some of our magic, and I will see you when it's all completed. Alrighty, friends, last piece on. Ta-da! Check out my fish. So there's a few extra pieces that, if you can tell from the back, need to be trimmed a little bit. So what you're going to do is get your scissors and you're going to cut those pieces off. And this gives your fish an extra nice, clean cut look. I like it. Isn't that cute? Okay, my friends, we're going to draw on our gills for our fishes so they can breathe, because we all want our fish to breathe. We're going to get our googly eye, get some glue, put that on your paper. There we go. There's my googly eye. Next, we're going to make his lips, or her lips. So we're going to get a half piece of red paper. You could use any color you want. And you're going to cut out any kind of lip shape you want. I am going to go with more of a heart-shaped lip, because I think that's pretty. I'm going to make mine a pretty fish. But you can make yours any way you want. You can make it a happy fish, a mellow fish, a sad fish, any kind of fish you want. There's mine. Okay, so I am going to get my glue, put it on the lip, but you only need half of it. So there's my half. I'm going to put it right where I think the fish lip should be. There's that, my friends. How's that look? Looks good, right? Next thing we're missing is our cool little fin. So we're going to get that piece of paper we had from earlier, our little triangle, which looks something like this, that we cut our little ovals out from. You're going to get your scissors. And you see this top right here, this little triangle part? You're going to keep that. Do you see that shape? There we go. There's our cool fish fin. So you're going to put it on here with some glue. Got my glue. Put it where you think your fin should be. Push down hard, but you're going to get your fingers a little gluey. That's okay, because look how cool that turns out. Isn't that cool? You just swim away. I can't wait to see your projects, my friends. They come in all different shapes and colors and techniques, and that's what makes them art and makes them beautiful. I hope you had fun. I had a blast. I'll see you later, friends. Bye.